Only time I'm pissed is when the plug talking crazy. Bullin' with the bloods out in Valley, I mean brazy. Made a quarterback, bitch, they bought me Blanco Brady. Sent the order back, give a fuck if it was paid for. Many acting wacky, flip the order, slip through Pedro. Trapping got me cocky, bitch, I'm about to act.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mir, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. Hey man, y'all see, finally got bid 392 wash. This red color look hard, but no, I got a lot of stuff planned for y'all. Well, not really a lot of stuff, but it's just a little DT cruise we finna go to. They finna have Mopar, Chevy, all type of stuff, man. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all make sure y'all go look out for that, man. Bro. All right, y'all, but I'm finna go to the gas station, but y'all stay tuned, man. Gotta fill up the beat. Man. Got the wash, I needed that. And this red look good. All right, y'all, so we finna head over to the gas station. Had to make a quick little run. But yeah, we finna head over to the gas station. I'm finna go fill up the V, man. Forever gonna be at the gas station with this guy, man. Finna go broke. Hey, also in the comment section, man, y'all put what type of mods I should put on my car, man. What should I do to this car, man? It's kind of playing right now, man. I need y'all opinions. Man. Y'all comment down in the comment section on, bro. But yeah, y'all see, I'm in Eco right now. I ain't on nothing right now because we still gotta drive, so I still gotta get some gas. And my boy Jew I'm finna pick up my boy Jew, man. So y'all go stay tuned. Y'all go check his channel out, man. His channel finna be in the description. Y'all go check his channel out, man. Bro, y'all go check his channel out. It's a beautiful day outside, man. Let me crack the sunroof. Y'all know we gotta open up the sunroof. Ooh, cat? Shorty? Oh, that's a scat. I'm tweaking. That shit was a cat. Yes, sir. Damn. Y'all see where we at? Oh, gotta put that 93 up in here. Gotta put that 93. Damn. Bro, I gotta hold this thing, bro. Are you serious? Oh, yeah, put a good little 35 ball up in, or not 35, 45. I'm tweaking. I need to get off the drugs, y'all. Drugs be killing me. The drugs making me lose brain cells. Hell no. Hell no. I don't want no receipt, shorty. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all once we get over to the meet. I'm finna go pick up my boy Jew, man. I'm finna catch y'all once we get over there, bro. All right, y'all. Got my boy Jew. Just pulled up to the meet. So we on something slight right now. Something slight. Another octane red scat. Another scat. Cat, shorty. Man. Let's see what we got outside. Cat. That's a swipe. Swipe 3. Another scat, shorty. RT, scat. There's hella scats up here. 5-0. They got hella scats up here. Damn, well, we got hella shit pulling up deep, shorty. Hella shit pulling up deep. What's the word? What's the word, man? Yee. It been hard. Damn. Scat, shorty. They pulling up deep with these scat. Deep as hell. That bitch needs some brakes. Damn. Bitch ass nigga. Y'all see the lineup, man. Y'all see the lineup. We got more people that just pulled up. They down now. I'm playing RT. Hell yeah. And we got another Charlie. That look Charlie gang short. Hell yeah. Scat. Damn. So there is a DT cruise we finna go to, but I don't know when the fuck we finna cruise and shit. Man, they as deep as hell with these Mopars, bro. Damn. Like, scat hard. Yeah, y'all see I got my twin outside. Got the twin outside. Yeah. Mopar deep, man, y'all.
Yeah, that is. That nigga, he the only thing I know.
Dang. As hell with the Mopars, y'all. What's the word? Sad. I didn't even know you was popping out.
Came up with some gas money.
Hell yeah. That shit down there. I had parked down there. Hell yeah. Yeah.
You and the other Durango.
Oh, bro. The other Durango down there, it's a RT Durango. Yeah. Ready for that cruise, man. I'm trying to cruise. I'm trying to drive. Hell yeah.
That's nice.
Shit hard. We outside, shorty. We all outside, man. We deep as hell up here, man. These my type of days, my type of nights, man. So I fuck with this shit. Fuck with it. You don't know? It's only cause he ain't got his car.
Nah, it's cause you keep.
He going, bro. As soon as he get his car, bro. Where the meet's at, man? What's the word? He just don't want to come cause his ass can't drive right now.
Nah, you tip, bro. I don't think so now. Your name, dog.
Pulled up in a Lambo.
This nigga said stop.
Who said that?
312. He said stop speeding when y'all come in as kids. Something like Junior finna walk out.
Yeah. Coming to a hill near you.
What the fuck you just say?
I said coming to a hood near you.
Oh, it sound like you that coming. Smoking this bitch.
Got to get to the vet. Yo, yeah. We in this bitch, shorty. Yeah. Come out. We deep as hell. baby. Mopar, baby. That boy Steve-O moving. Yeah, we going crazy. We got them all outside. We got them all outside, shorty. Damn. We getting off right here? Got the best city. The best city.
The best.
Yeah, YouTube, y'all see where we at, man. We cruising DT. Y'all see? Yeah. Y'all see where we on Lakeshore Drive, shorty? Come on, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, y'all see where we at? We DT, man. We DT Juke.
Is that a did I tell you get that damn camera on my face?
Bit 392, boy. I was just overly doing my shit, bro. I recorded that whole thing, too. Yeah. Yes, sir. Who? Oh, bro. He was.
I was watching your shit.
Oh yeah, I remember him. Oh yeah, I remember his shit. The yeah, he was in the takeover. That was like that bitch hard.
Shit got eaten by 18 soldiers.
Is that Davo?
Yeah, nah, that nigga.
Nah.
You got a replica out here.
That ain't Davo. Hurricane. Is that a hurricane?
Damn, this fucking wide body goes crazy.
Wide body stash shorty. Another cat.
We all got a good shit for
Bro.
finally.
This nigga the first nigga that don't know how no damn power steering fluid.
I don't know what. You get out my way, bro.
Move out the way.
There's still people coming out. We still got hella people pulling up. It's hella people still pulling up. Hey, boy. Damn, shorty. Yo. Damn. This bitch. Got the trackiani. Got the trackiani on that bitch. Yes, sir. Once he get his cars over with.
Bro, how many times I gotta tell you, get your damn camera on?
Once he get his cars over with, y'all, unlimited content on the way. Once he get his
That's
car.
crazy.
Unlimited
This nigga
content.
trying to use me for content.
I ain't trying to use you for
This
no
nigga
content.
wants me to get a car so he can make a video. Like, what
Hell
type
yeah,
of shit is
use
that?
your ass.
I ain't never heard that. That shit is...
Why did I switch to Dodge, bro? I should have got me a Camaro, bro. I should have stayed with Chevy, bro. I ain't even gonna count. These Dodge problems hitting me hard right now. I ain't even gonna lie.
Tear his ass up.
These Dodge problems tearing my ass up. Oh yeah, that track definitely going. Hit that bitch, shorty. Do it again, do it again. Do it. Turbo? Damn. That bitch hard. Oh. Grab that bitch, shorty. Hell no. This shit low as hell. Fuck 12.
She got that dog in the back.
Y'all, we cold. It's cold right now, man. We just chilling right here. Most of the people left, but we just sitting here. But we probably finna get gone soon. We finna leave soon.
Y'all ever saw a nigga with no hose? I still can't believe it.
I get all the hoes, shorty.
Whoa.
Bro. We still, I ain't gonna cap. I need to get that,
And it's a V6.
Hellcat. Hold on. He finna hit that burnout. Come on, hit that shit, boy. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the YouTube video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that sub button if y'all fuck with this video, man. More bangers on the way, more content on the way with this summer, man. Oh, bro, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.
Only time I'm pissed is when the plug talking crazy. Bullin' with the bloods out in Bali, I mean break.